Close the door. It's gonna be loud.
Hey, Smiley, hold up, Bessie. Let me get his money first, yeah? Hold up, Bessie. Hey, Smiley, you gonna trip out? Is that your little cousin or what, eh?
Where'd you pick this?
I found it in MacArthur Park.
Go ahead and get on your last prayer.
That girl is being raped. All right, I saw these two fucking drug addicts attacking her.
She's my cousin, Holmes. She's a civilian. Aim right and bold on her.
Hello?
Hey, what's up, Lizzie? What you doing?
Hey, Smiley. I'm doing homework.
Cops talk to you today?
No?
Yeah, tell me what happened, okay? Don't bullshit me.
I got jumped by these two crackheads today. I think they wanted to, like, rape me or something. I don't know. This cop came. Kicked their asses like that.
This car, what do you look like?
He was a white boy. He looked real young, too.
We're gonna talk more about this later.
Okay.
What's up? What happened?
But who's telling the truth? What's the truth, Colonel?